Good morning, good morning. All right. Oh wow, it has been a while. Now it's 5:09 a.m. Bright and early. Let's check out the weather outside. Outside 14 degrees in Washington D.C. Well, that's not too far from where I live. It's about 10-hour drive. But yeah, it has been a long time since I last uploaded the video into MS Access channel. Um, 5:09 a.m. Bright and early. Bright and early. Well, it's not real bright outside, I don't think. It's probably dark outside. I want to bring you along with me to see how I install VMware. Alright, so I ran out of things to do with the channel. So, but I want to get my feet wet in the new stuff. Alright, I'm going to go to VMware right here. I am interested in installing this guy right here. And I think it's there is a free version in here. So I'm gonna bring you along and see how I get these things to work. All right. A couple of days ago, I had already created a login, but now if you are new to this, don't create a login just yet. All right. Just follow along, and I will show you how to get this thing to work. I think. All right. So the first thing that you do when you come in here without a login, you click on this guy right here, magnifying glass, and then you see how I did a research right there. Click on that. If you don't see that on the list, you just type it in. All right, type it in. Workstation Pro. That's what we want. All right, and now hit enter. Just hit enter. Just a list, but select this first one right here. Just select this first option, VMware Workstation Pro. That's what we search for right here. That's what we search for, and that's what we want. So go ahead and click on that, and these two buttons you see there. All right, don't subscribe just yet. Just click this guy right here. All right, and that's going to bring you to a login. And that's the reason why I said do not log in just yet. Remember that? So now once you click on this, a new pop-up will show up, ask you to log in. All right, so let's do that. See there? Here's a sign-in page. It brings you to this Broadcom. I'm pretty sure that Broadcom is in is the main company now, I guess. But the good thing is that you see this right here, leave it like that. Just leave it like that. Leave this page here, don't close it. All right, log in. All right, once you click if you don't have a login, create one. Now after you create one, you're gonna log in. Once you log in, then you go back to this page and click on that. All right, so I'm gonna log in now. So pretend that I just created my account. All right, and now I'm gonna log in. So that's what you do. You create your account and you log in, and leave that page right there hanging for now. So if I remember my password, my credential here, should I tell you what it is? Nah. So let's see if it takes. I don't remember. Like I said, it's been a couple of days. What is it? What is it? What is it? I'm thinking. All right, let's try that again. Okay, that thing. Whew. Yeah, got so much stuff. And you see there, if it did not bring you to this profile or the dashboard page, then you click on this guy. Otherwise, if it does bring you to this page, then all you have to do is go to here. Alright. So sometimes once you log in, sometimes it doesn't do anything. Then you would have to click on this guy. Alright. But if it does bring you to here, alright, just click on my dashboard, and now we are going to search for workstation again. That's what we are interested in, workstation. Did I spell that wrong? I forgot the K. Station. Oh, we want the player right here. Second to last, we want workstation player. Alright, so click on the player, and there should be a list of items in here. Ding ding. Right there. Alright. So now, from now, we just select one of the two, and let's select the latest. Alright, we're gonna grab the latest, click on that first link. It's going to bring you to this documentation. Alright, and if you want to take time to read up on these guys. Alright, now we are not interested in all this right here. We're not interested in this. We are interested in workstation. Okay, which is scroll down, keep going down, keep going down. Remember, we're not interested in all this. Okay, I see workstation right here. This is what we are after, the workstation. Alright, so let's click on that first link. Click, and that should bring you to a list of items here. And we are interested in this right here. Right here, Workstation Pro 17 for personal use for Windows. So we're gonna click on that, and it should expand, I believe. There you go. Alright, and these are all the versions. Alright, these updates, these are all updates, but the release that we are interested in is the latest one, which is 17.5.2. Excuse me. So let's click on that, and now you should be able to see this download here. Now before you get here, if you have not created your profile, it will ask you to fill out the address. Alright, so go ahead and put your address in there, and then redo what I just showed you, and it's going to bring you to this guy. Otherwise, you will not be able to see this list. Alright, so you have to create your own profile first. Alright, for example, if I click on this guy right here, you will see, oh yeah, see there? It will show up right there. Alright, and now I'm gonna save as. Remember, this is new to me, and it's going to be new to you. I am going to be, you know what, let's add new folder here. I'm going to say VMware Workstation. I think that's good enough. Workstation. How about 17? I think that's good enough. Alright, so let's pop in there and save it. So that's what that's how you get the application for free. All right. Okay, now it's done. It says open file. That means it's done. I'm going to minimize this guy, and let's go to that folder that we put it in. Expand that booger right there. See there? That's perfect right there. Alright, we got it download, and now we're going to install. So double click on this guy, and the installation should bring up. Hopefully, there you go. Let's click yes on this one, and I'm gonna minimize this guy for now. So this is good when you want to install different version of OS operating system. All right, and that's what I want to do. I want to create a sandbox where I can install Windows. Let's see. Oh, add. Okay. You know what? Keep the default, and let's continue. Now it says to check for the updates on start, and I'm gonna leave that checked. And on the bottom here, the second option here, join the customer experience improvement. I'm gonna deselect that. Yeah, no. Let's continue. Alright, so you can have a shortcut right here on the desktop or in the start menu. So I'm gonna keep that both. It's not gonna hurt. It's just a shortcut. Like I was saying, I want to install a VMware, a virtual machine, where I can install several operating systems on one machine. And this is good for if you want to learn how to install whatever OS into different sandboxes. So, but I'm going to show you what I'll be doing later after all this done. I guess the video here is just going to how to get the VMware and the installation going. Almost done, by the way. It's pretty quick. There you go. Good, it's done. So now we'll click finish, and then you got it right there, VMware Workstation. All right, so let's take a look at this guy together. You and I are gonna take a look at this guy together. It's new to me. Like I said, it is new to me. I have no idea what it is. All right, there it comes up. All right, I believe if this is the first time you open, it's going to ask you for a code. Make sure you select for personal use. All right, but that's how that works. It's not that big a deal. It's simple and it's free. All right, it's free, so you can use this for whatever. In the next video, we are going to create a new virtual machine. Alright, and once you create a virtual machine, it's going to list on the left hand side here, and you can have different virtual machines or sandboxes or playground on the left hand side where you can install different operating systems on it. For example, the Ubuntu, the Linux, the Windows, whatever, Mac. But that's how you do it. Thanks for coming in and watching me doing this. Alright, and if you have suggestions or want to comment on anything, just let me know. Remember, this is new to me. I am new to this environment. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.